Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, it's Mitson Learning here and welcome to this video review of the Learning Python for Data Analysis and Visualization course on Udemy. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the course and what you can expect from it. Course objectives. The course is designed for anyone who wants to learn Python for data analysis and visualization. It's suitable for beginners who have no prior experience with programming or data analysis. The course objectives are to teach you the basics of Python programming, data analysis techniques, and how to create visualizations to present your data effectively. Targeted audience. If you're a student, researcher, or professional who deals with data in any capacity, this course is for you. It's a great way to learn how to use Python to analyze and visualize data, which can be useful for making data-driven decisions, conducting research, and presenting information. Course content. The course is divided into 6 modules. 1. Introduction to Python. Programming. This module provides an introduction to Python and teaches the basics of programming, including data types, control flow, and functions. 2. Data analysis with Python. In this module, you'll learn how to work with data in Python, including data cleaning, transformation, and analysis. You'll also learn how to use Python libraries and tools for data analysis, such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. 3. Visualization with Python. This module focuses on teaching you how to create visualizations in Python, using libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. You'll learn how to create various types of visualizations, such as bar charts, line charts, and scatter plots, to present your data effectively. 4. Data analysis projects. In this module, you'll apply what you've learned in the previous modules by working on 2 projects, a real estate price prediction project and a customer segmentation project. These projects will help you put your data analysis and visualization skills into practice. 5. Data cleaning and preprocessing. This module covers data cleaning techniques, including handling missing data, dealing with outliers, and transforming data. You'll also learn about data preprocessing techniques like feature scaling and encoding. 6. Advanced data analysis techniques. In the final module, you'll learn about advanced data analysis techniques, such as clustering and classification. You'll also learn how to use machine learning algorithms to analyze your data and make predictions. Throughout the course, you'll have opportunities to practice what you've learned through quizzes, exercises, and assignments. Required readings. While the course itself is comprehensive, it's recommended that you have a basic understanding of statistics and have some familiarity with programming concepts. To get the most out of the course, you'll need to have access to a computer with Python installed. All the necessary Python libraries and tools will be introduced and installed during the course. Overall impressions. I found this course to be an excellent introduction to Python for data analysis and visualization. The course is well structured and easy to follow, with clear explanations and a wide range of practical examples. The instructors were knowledgeable and provided helpful guidance throughout the course.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.